I'm about to I'm about to tell you something very nice. Okay, good, guys. It's been a moment. I've been working too hard. It has been a great Christmas. I hope you guys had a good time as well. So now I want to talk about Cobra, guys. Trust in me, this is going to take over worldwide. We're no longer aiming, because trust in me, poverty is a worldwide problem. So I've been looking forward to say, I want something that's gonna assist, all those people who have been struggling with Forex. I mean, even when you try to trade, or maybe, you don't need to, you shouldn't start with a big amount to make money. So that's what I came up with, and to say, no, let me come up with something, because we've done the updates and see a lot of people trying to take your money, and they say, no. No, that we're just checking. Not yet. We haven't cropped it, but we definitely do. You know how we do it, man. We have the money. We don't view you lower, and you'll see. Definitely, boy. I prefer the evil, not just the hurricane, my friend. Evil. It's called evil, not just the hurricane. But that's not the main concept for today. Let's focus on what I want to tell you about. So the main aim is, we've realized, we need to come up with something that's gonna work 24 hours. So it doesn't matter wherever you are. So even when maybe you are in China, you are in United States and Europe, you should make money. So definitely that's what I came up with, which is Cobra 1.0. Trust in me. I bet on you, we're the only people in Africa. So what I did is, there's so many monkeys out there. Sorry to put it like this. There's so many monkeys out there who try to take your money. Like, there's no one who has MT5. You can't. So now we have improved the security, because there's some people saying that you can do that. You can know. The only place to get Cobra and get the correct settings is through me. So there's no one who can give you to that. So that's why now we improved and we take it to MT5. So there's no way that a person can say that and that. Trust in me, we're taking over. It's no longer a matter of questions. Consistency it's key. And we all about that. That's why our main focus is poverty. That's why even today we will still be here in the next 10 years, because we know our main focus is killing poverty. There's nothing else. We don't shy away from the problem. So this is what I want from you from now on, right? You might be asking yourself, what's the difference between Cobra and the other version? So basically this is what happened. So if now, let me give you an example. So now we have got iPhone 11 and we have got iPhone 12. Doesn't mean that someone who has got iPhone 11, they can't do anything that iPhone 12 person can do. No, it's just that there's improvement. What I did is, with MT5 of this one, you're going to trade 24/7. That's going to be the only robot in the world that I know of that can allow you to trade 24/7, right? Of which now this time around, I'm not going to show you how the recipe of what actually goes in beyond, I'm just going to give you the software and you make money. That's what I want, because now the main problem is that you're not making money and you have been losing money. But anyway, I'm happy that you believe that Forex is going to change your way. It's going to be the main answer to all your problems, of which that's what's important. So the most important thing that's what's going to happen is that you just have to make sure your laptop is there. We don't care whether you know how to trade or you try to, it doesn't matter. You with me, we all make money. The money that you make is the same money that I make. So, but now what I want is that I want everyone to make money. So it doesn't mean that you need to have 10,000 or anything. It just have to, even when you have a minimal amount, you should make money. Because remember, the main important thing is that it's a matter of consistency. It's profit. Profit is profit. If there's profit, it doesn't matter. The main important thing we're collecting is what? It's pips. And the main important thing is that you want to make more than you lose, of which that's what I've been since I came up with the evolution. When you talk about Forex trading through robots in Africa, I should come on. Definitely, I should pop up. I'm the head. I'm the senior. If I were to say I'm the president of that, and now I'm about to become the leader of the new school in terms of that. We're going to switch Forex trading and put it in the form of systems. Because trust me, when you are busy and you love what you're doing, it doesn't mean now you need to quit what you're doing. But no, because you have got the smart head like John Ghatti, who are there, who work tirelessly to make sure that you enjoy your job but still having an extra income. My friend, I mean, like, how do you supposed to get successful by getting paid once in 30 days? I mean, that won't happen. So it means now we need to change that. That's why I want you every day to download dollars with me. But anyway, this is no longer about me. Me, I'm making money, it's no longer about me. I know I make money every day, but that's not the main point of this. The main point of this is that we all need to make money, even yourself. Because it's painful to see someone working toward and realizing that anytime soon that person can be fired. But now it will be difficult because you're going to be using that last money that you don't have now to come and get the robot and all that. We don't want that. I want you to say now, even when they fire you, you don't come up with the mind of committing suicide and all those things. No, we just want you to show you that you have been missing something. You didn't know that you can be able to make money while still doing what you love. You can see, man. Corona has taught a lot of people a lot of things. It's just that don't be complacent. Don't relax in life. You must try to find new things. Hence, you need to associate yourself. You need to associate yourself with smart people. I'm one of them, because me, I'm more focused on coming up with new ideas, solving problems, basically, like making it easy. It's all about efficiency. That's why we're here, and then to indicate to you that PWR, it's not dead. It's just that now I brought something that's what I've been looking for. I've been different. When you do something, it doesn't mean now you always have. That's why I'm not. I work as much as I used to when I didn't have anything in my life. So meaning the energy that I used to put back in the days is still more than. That's why I'm here today, and that's where I'm gonna be somewhere next day. Because I still have dreams like you. It's just that our dreams are different. So basically, we're gonna be using mainly Telegram from now on because of those rules and stuff like that. We just want to have one thing, and then we're gonna use Telegram. So we're gonna transfer all our clients from WhatsApp to Telegram. So that's what's gonna happen. So the main important thing for you just plug and play. It doesn't matter about the location. I don't care wherever you are. Remember, PWR is worldwide, so it doesn't matter wherever you are. The only thing I need from you is internet and a laptop. That's all. I tell you, my friend, it's time now you realize and you shape your life, and you need to put yourself with people who are already doing it. So if now you're not going to associate yourself with those who are already doing it in the smart ones, I see problems in your life. But trust me, I don't want to see that. All I want to see from you is to start now to realize that it's time now to download dollars. And you don't need to work hard to make money. I'm a living proof of that. So that's why now I sat down Christmas while you were planning on enjoying the money that you got. It's not about expensive, my friend. What matters is the value. It's not about the price. It's about the value of what you're buying. So if now I were to tell you that the robot is which amount is it, you wouldn't mind if I say I'm gonna fix your problem. So come to realize about it. It's not about the price. It's mainly about the value, and it's all about me solving your problem. So that's the main important thing. That's why each and every time when and that's why every time we will be there. We'll never come out of the role, because the main important problem, poverty. I don't know when is poverty going to end, but we are on the way of hitting on that. It's not mainly on that. I've got dreams. So if now you work with people who have got dreams, as well, we can accomplish our dreams together. So as I'm saying, I've got the tool. The tool is working. You see, so it's a matter of us now. Hey, this thing, my phone is multitasking. So we have got this one. Immediately a call comes in, this side is gonna ping up. That's how the iPhone business works about. So that's how it works about, guys. So my invention, let's get back to it. My invention, Cobra, is going to be the top. It's going to be the top worldwide in terms of Forex. When you talk about Forex, you talk about Cobra. Trust me, it's proven. I've done the test. I've done everything. It's just solid. So now, what happened? We've got MT4 and MT5. So the guys who already bought it this week, we're gonna share to them the MT4. Then along next week, we're gonna share MT5. Then I tell you, let me break down to you. No more blowing accounts. That's what's going to happen. No more you moving from this person to this person to that person to this. And trust me, you don't have to sell all your furniture to start trading. You don't really have to start with your payment or your salary, your pension. No, once you have the robot, you can start as little as you can. What matters is the profit, my friend. What matters is the consistency. It's not mainly based on the amount that you start with. It's mainly based on the consistency. If something is profitable, it's profitable. You don't have to start with like 10,000 to make money. Even when someone with $100, we want them to make money. So that's why you're with John Ghatti. That's why we don't sleep, so that you and I will eat. Not me, not you only, so that you and I will eat, my friend. It's painful to see someone of the same age as you suffering financially, while you wake up in the morning and now you're no longer worrying about how much should I make. You make money every day. So the only thing now, you just want to, you get to an invention to say, I want to be, when someone says I've made it, I want to be involved with it. That's my main concern right now. You see, because trust me, here, my friend, we're smart. I know I'm smart. Not now. I've been smart, and I know this is not only the invention that I'm working on. It's just now I need to conquer Forex first. Then after you'll see me. Then you don't know. Within a year, I don't know which invention am I gonna come up with. You see, so yeah, you see, so that's how it is. When you are here, try not to entertain. Try not to show us that you are going through tough times. Try to behave as much as, because we need to help you. Trust me, you need help. So now, when you are, especially when you are within people, don't show yourself that things are not going well. Always show the good character within you. Good things always come to those who are always right. I mean, if now you are a negative person, only negative things will happen to you. So please do me a favor, right? Be an open heart person. Try to open up. I mean, be a happy person. I'm telling you, happy things will come to you. Be positive. All the time. We also have problems, but because we don't focus on problems, we focus on positive things. You always see us happy. So don't be that person. Don't be that person. Don't do that of saying this and saying that and say it's not helping us at the moment. The main important thing now is that you and I, we should take money from Forex. That's what's important. I want to do that. I want to do that. I want to do that. I mean, look at you. You want to have nice things, my friend. I love nice things. I love expensive stuff. You also, I don't know what you like, but whatever you like has to do with money. So why can't we make money together and live the life? Man, I don't know you and I don't need to know you. But if now we are in the same goal and making money, I think that's better. You don't have to come and talk to me and say, but if now I can sit down with you and then we come up with the plan and we make money. I've done it. It's a matter of showing it to you. But remember, we're not forcing you. It's not about you. It's about me. It's about me. I said, no, I want to be rich. I want to be rich forever at an early age, So, but now what I'm saying is that I've done something and I've already proven it. So, but now here is the opportunity. We're not going to, I know, within a class, not everyone is going to pass, but few are going to pass. But some are going to get the picture. So this is what we're saying. We're saying that here is the deal. It's going to take over the world. You are still worrying about the price. I tell you, very soon my price will be high, because it's not mainly about that. It's about the value of something. And once something, the demand is that, because remember, it's not mainly about me trying to sell and stuff like that. No, I make money in all angles, you see. So the main important thing now is just that even when we have got 10 people, but those 10 people, they must benefit with what we get. So that's why now it means now we need to reduce, because now when the demand is too high, you see, the supply, it means now we need, you did supply chain and stuff like that. So it means we need to adjust in terms of that. That's why it's mainly getting expensive, but it's not about the expense, it's about the value. You see, it's about the value. And be careful before you make any payment. Never ever, please, mind you, never ever make any payment, and tell your friends as well, never ever make a payment without doing a video call and talk to me. Actually, we need to discuss your problems. I love to talk to my people. I'm a friendly person. I don't remember the last time I was angry, stuff like that, mainly because I know how it is. I know how it feels for someone who wants to get it. I can see from a distance that this person is tired of being poor, and now they want to change their solution. That's why I want to talk to my people and say, no guys, this is what happens, right? Even when you're doing something, so I like guiding my people. So all the time, that's why we just say, talk to me before you get started with me. I know I'm going to show you how to make money, but talk to me. have a talk with me. 5 minutes. I mean, it's gonna help you. I mean, I'm a millionaire now at my age, and I'm still gonna make a lot of money. And then you're gonna make money with me, but at least you haven't made the money that I'm making. So talk to me and see what kind of problems are you going through. Why were you not making money? What did you go through? I mean, it's gonna help when someone comes in as well. I'm gonna explain the same story as you. So that's why. And one thing is that be a positive person. Positive things will come to you. That's how it is. Don't be that person. Always focus on positive things, and positive life will be for you. So guys, I'm here to announce PWR still there, but Cobra 1.0, we're taking over the world. It's going to be the best invention that ever came out for Forex. I hope the broker binary.com, they're gonna change. They're going to remove those pairs, because you and I, my friend, will be downloading dollars. Like, honestly, like this time around, we'll just be doing it 24 hours. You won't even have to go out. You'll forget about my pianos and all those things of dancing and doing all those things. You and I, this time around, will be doing the same work. Now we want to sanitize the brokers. We're no longer sanitizing you. Now we want to sanitize the brokers. I hope now they're going to change those pairs, because you and I will be going hard, my friend. We won't be sleepy. The time I sleep, my robot is awake. My robot is awake. So guys, see you soon.